Kundalini life force blocked due to posture, wrong posture, I have mentioned in the previous video. This is the solution part of it. So if you have not watched the first video, go and watch that first video so that you know what exactly the problem is, and in this video you will get the solutions also. So as I mentioned that due to your wrong posture, your Kundalini life force is not moving. So what are the situations in which you actually are in wrong posture? One of the situation is you are working on your laptop or desktop on a table and you are in this posture where your body is in slouching position. So to correct it, there are different steps that you should take. First of all, your screen should not be below your eye length. It should be in front of your eye length. For that, you can use a stand like this. This is like a laptop stand which you can use, which will bring your laptop into 180-degree state. Now the vision is 180-degree. This means that is the first step. The moment you correct your head posture, and how to correct that head posture, I will show you. If you are tilted like this, just try to lift your neck up and slowly move your neck towards the back. Chin up and try to bring your neck in alignment with your shoulder. This neck alignment and shoulder alignment is must for correcting your posture, and the spinal S curve has to be maintained. So once you do this, if you are sitting on laptop, don't sit for more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes. If you have to work for longer duration, then take a break of 20 seconds for look out for 20 meters, and this will also improve your eyesight and vision. You are actually totally collapsed in health because of many factors. So for example, you are working on laptop. After 20 minutes, take a break of 20 seconds, look out at a 20-meter distance. This means when you are looking out, make sure your posture is also correct. So if you are looking out, for example, I am looking out, I am in my right posture. I can stand like this, you can stand like this. Look at a distant view. You can look at closer objects or you can look at distant objects. And when you do this, you will feel refreshed in your vision. You will refreshed. There is less stress on your nervous system, and you are able to feel the nourishment from the greenery around. So first of all, you have to create an environment in which you can have this kind of greenery around. The fresh air is coming and you are not congested in a room, closed room, where the positive ions are too much. In fact, the positive ions from the laptop and all the gadgets emit lots of radiations that are not good for your life force. Now this life force is telling you to correct your posture, also the alignment with which you sit. For example, if you are sitting on this chair, you make sure that your legs are in 90-degree. Now this is not ideal for my condition because this is something which is not perfectly okay for my height. This is slanting like this. It has to be in 90-degree position. I can show you, at least the chair has to be in 90-degree position so that this alignment is maintained. So in this case also, you have to make sure that your spine curve is maintained, your belly is out, your chest is up, and you are working like this. So let's say I am focusing on my upper body now. So this has to be the situation, and just take a break and move your body. You are in slouching position because you are on phone or laptop for longer duration. You are in this position, very much focused. All your center of gravity of your head is coming forward. So to correct this, I will teach you two techniques. You can implement it immediately. Get up from the place and breathe. The focus should be on continuous breathing. So make sure you are inhaling and exhaling from the nose in swinging position like this. Inhaling, exhaling, and it has to be continuous. I am showing with your with my hand so that you can understand, and correct your posture first. First you have to lock your knees, and when you are locking your knees, you have to lock your thighs also. This means that you have to focus on your thigh muscles and lock your knees. And when you stand like this, it has to be like A, like this is an A position. When you stand like this, automatically your electromagnetic field is balanced with the center of gravity. And in this posture, you first try to put both the hands like this and put it on your solar plexus. Here is the solar plexus where you can put, and just focus on breathing. For 5 minutes, if you do like this, you will see that your life force is flowing. Your blocked life force is flowing in your channels. The next technique is, make your hands like this, put it on the back of your head and just try to tilt your neck towards the back. And you will see that in this posture, your nasal passages are opening, you are able to breathe well, and it is more opening than the previous posture. You can do it for 30 seconds, or you can put your hands on the neck itself and be like this, whatever is convenient for you. So do this for 30 seconds. And the last technique which you can adopt while traveling, or if you are sitting for longer hours, you can, suppose you are sitting on a chair while traveling on the seat, you can make your, I can show you in this direction. For example, make your hands, arms like this and remain there for 10 to 15 seconds or 20 seconds, as much as you can, and do it 10 times, 15 times while you are traveling, or throughout the day. You can increase the intensity based on how you feel. So when you remain in this position, most of your postural problems will be solved. But you need to know that if you want to work exclusively on yourself, then you have to get yourself diagnosed through me, because your life force may be stuck due to the posture in any areas of your energy centers, and the hormonal glands where these energies are stuck may cause you some hormonal changes also, which is causing the issues that you are facing with your nervous system disorder or brain dysfunctioning or many other mental and health related issues. So there could be multiple consequences of the wrong posture. So for the right solution, book your consultation with me, write to my team, book a 30 minutes consultation, get your first diagnosis, learn the techniques and implement it for 21 days. In 21 days, you will definitely get concrete results for all your problems that you are facing due to your wrong posture. And rest is a process. All the best. Thank you.